We have a viewer question here to deal with today, which is whether a Stanley No. 5 Tote will fit in the Stanley No. 10 plane. Now, for all intents and purposes, just having a quick look, they are similar looking totes in regard to outline and length. The centre screw to the back of the tote is 7 centimetres, and the total length of the tote is about 8.5 centimetres. So we're going to actually test this right now. Quick and easy test to do. So we'll just pull off the lever cap, remove the blades. Blades on the 10 are a little bit finicky to remove, but can be done with care, just like that. A lot of people will take the chip breaker off, feed the blade up through the bottom, and then fit the chip breaker on and fit it. I find that to be actually more difficult than just taking care to feed it in on an angle through the side and then fit it in place with the chip breaker on. There is enough room just to be able to do that. So with those two off the number 10, we now have clear access to the screws. So we'll just remove those. I'll put those to my left so we don't get them confused, and they all end up back in their rightful place. And the top center removed. This gives us clearance to remove the tote. Now that came a little bit out as we were screwing, so I'll just screw that in a little bit. Now, number 5, a little bit easier because there's no rebate section on the blade to deal with, sticking out the side of the plane, so it's quite easily removed on the number 5. Now we'll put those off to the right so that I know that they go back on the 5. Same thing, remove the base screw, and undo the through tote. Once again, put those off to the right. Now we have the tote off the 5 and we have the number 10 plane. So we'll put the 5 off to the side there. Okay, so the moment of truth. Will the 5 fit? It looks to be all lining up nicely. The bolt has come through. Don't know if that's clearly visible, but the bolt has come through just a nice distance there. The screw hole seems to be lined up okay at the bottom. So we'll just confirm that. We can get the through bolt screw head back on, and that's locking on, so we'll just screw that down a little bit. Not quite tight all the way. Drop the toe screw in, that's going in okay. Now I'm not going to tighten it all the way up, it's just loosely tightened, but we have clearance of the lateral adjuster. So there you go. A number 5 tote will clearly fit onto a number 10 plane, and I believe that's the same. I had a quick look at the 5 1/4, and 5 1/4 is the same. So across all of the 10s and 5s, I believe the tote is interchangeable on all of them. I believe they're the same pattern across all of them, but the question was specifically on a number 5 to a number 10, so that's what we've done, a number 5 to a number 10. I'll put those fittings back over to the left. Now, the number 5 to the back, the number 10 to the front. I'll just hold them side by side. And as you can see, they are the same tote. Okay, I hope that answers the question for a number of people, and if you're looking to replace the tote on your number 10, you don't have to go out and pay a fortune for a specific number 10 tote. You can get a tote off a number 5 and fit it on, and it is the same tote. It fits exactly the same design. Happy hunting and enjoy.